everybody, welcome back to the Motor Medic One. Today I got a little issue on my little SUV. The tire pressure monitor set off the back rear here at 29 psi, and let's just see what it's got in it. Yep, about 29. I run about 44 psi in these tires, so we obviously have something in the tire. So let's check it out. Let's just see if I can't find a screw or maybe a nail. There she is right there. I've had this tire plugging kit for a long time. I bought this when I was working at the dealership, and I'd go out on road calls for lawnmowers and such. This is by far the most complete, most bad to the bone kit that I've ever bought. It's called Blackjack Tire Repair. www.blackjacktirerepair.com, if you can read that right there. It's all solid steel construction. It fits the hand good. It is solid. The reamer, awesome. Comes with, now these are for like big truck tires, and we're not going to use that, but we're going to use the Blackjack Tire Repair plugs on this one. Comes with new tips, just in the accidental case that you may have broke one. Now this kit, it came with a razor blade down in there, but it's long gone. You can you can go to Walmart and buy the little razor blades that are in the little cardboard packages, or they got a cardboard sleeve around them. Those are what I usually keep in here, so you don't cut yourself digging around in here. Alrighty guys, so let's go ahead and load the tire repair tool here. Just stick it in. Get it worked in there with your hands. It can be tricky. And just pull it halfway through. When you bend it up, you want it to look like that. Alright, I got the obstruction pulled out. It wasn't a nail. It looked like about a 10-30 second screw, if you can see that. But just get your reamer and find the hole. Twist her in. Leave it in there until you get ready to put your plug in. We're going to dip the plug down in the lube just a little bit. This will help get it started. And then we're going to swap the reamer for a plug until I can get this tire to and get a patch plug or alrighty, get it about right there. Twist your tool, pow, pull it out, and trim off your plug with the razor blade and just top off your tire of the air that you lost. Guys, I have no problem plugging tires, but here is my honest opinion on what could possibly happen if after you run that plug up in there, and after a while, you know, you run the tire around several thousand miles and it wears. The glue off of the sticky out of the plug area, the contact area of the tire. Those fibers act like a wick, and when it rains and you drive through the rain, and that water could leach up or get sucked up into that patch, or not that patch, that plug, and you know, could potentially cause your belts to rust. There's whatever we ran over. Like I said, it looks like a 10/32 screw. Of course, it wore the head off of it, and when it went in, it was blunt. It didn't even have a sharp point, so when it went in, it cratered a hole pretty good. Alrighty guys, we got the little the tire fixed using the blackjack. I'm gonna put a link in the description below where you can purchase that using my affiliate links on Amazon. Doesn't cost you one single penny to use my links. Matter of fact, it'll help me out tremendously. So give me a thumbs up if this helped you out. And while you're over there hitting that thumbs up button, just hit that subscribe button while you're there. So anyway, guys, if y'all have any questions about tire repairs, let me know. More Medic 1. Have a great day.